Welcome to National Station. Welcome to National Station. Number system. I'm King. Welcome. My personal national. Commander Thompson King Thompson National Thompson Commander G20 Commander J Commander G and Thompson King of 100 Choice to Man of Water. Welcome to World Rocking Radio. Today is Saturday, February 17, 2013. It's heavy blizzard in the Bronx. It's a snowstorm. It's downpour in the Bronx. It's heavy snowstorm. I'm speaking from Castle Hill subway station. Castle Hill subway station is blizzard. It's blizzard downpour in the Bronx. It's blizzard, whiteout condition. It's a blizzard in the Bronx. I'm speaking from Castle Hill subway station. Please spread your support. Please, I need your help. I need your help. This is a downpour. It's a blizzard in the New York. It's an absolute downpour. Castle Hill subway station. I was just downtown New York. Downtown New York, Freedom Tower, Interpret. Please, I have nothing to eat today. I have nothing to eat. I don't even have a cent. It's a snowstorm. It's blizzard. It's absolute snowstorm in New York. This is the Bronx. I was downtown. There was no snow, but I came to the Bronx. It's a blizzard. There's a foot of snow in the Bronx. Commander Chief, World Officer, military, all NATO, all G20, GHG is king of 100 men of all time. It's the Ponce de Leon Bank. The Ponce de Leon Bank. Castle Hill subway station, Bronx, New York, United States. Commander Chief, all NATO, all G20, this is king of 100 men of all time. Please make a donation, please. I need your help. I'm desperate. I don't even have $1 in my account. I don't even have a cent. Marie wanted something to eat, and I couldn't even buy a glass of one can of soda. Commander Chief, World Officer, military, all G20, this is king of 100 men of all time. It's snowing in New York. It's blizzard, downpour, it's broad downpour. It's going to be a foot of snow. I'm speaking from a Castle Hill subway station. I need you to help. I'm begging for your support. I need at least $1. You can give me $1, maybe a 50 cent, 20 cent. Maybe you can make it possible. Pay online www.timelesson.tv 64624566618. I need your support. I need to go see Marie. I need money to go see Marie. I need the car fare. Castle Hill subway station. It's snowing in New York. It's Saturday, February 8th. Spring is around the corner. It's snowing, downpour. I don't have $1 in my account. I don't know what kind of people are these. These are animals. They don't give you a glass of water, man. What is this? What kind of nonsense is this? I don't understand these people. They treat me so bad. What did I do wrong? What did Marie did wrong? Thank you for having me. Thank you, wonderful, phenomenal, fantastic day. Take care. Bye-bye.